Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Can a spoonful of olive oil help with constipation? Break key takeaways. Olive oil is generally considered safe to take for constipation, but it should be avoided in children and infants. No specific dosage is recommended, but you could start with 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon on an empty stomach. Stay near a restroom if it is your first time taking olive oil for constipation, as the effects can occur immediately or take several hours to develop. Break taking olive oil by mouth can be used to relieve constipation due to its ability to provide added lubrication to the digestive system and soften stools so they are easier to pass. It's best to start with a spoonful to see how it affects you. Break olive oil acts as a natural laxative. Break olive oil acts like a natural laxative in the body in a couple of ways. Break it stimulates bowel movements by lubricating the digestive system, making it more moist and easier for hardened stools to pass through. Consuming olive oil helps soften stools, making them easier to pass. Break studies in animal models have also shown that oleic acid, a fatty acid found in olive oil, can enhance the function of the intestinal barrier by increasing the levels of beneficial bacteria in the gut, specifically Bifidobacteria. This may help improve digestion in the long term and ward off constipation. Break other oils for constipation. Break along with olive oil, mineral, flaxseed, and almond oil have also been shown to improve constipation in people due to their similar laxative-like effects. In one study, flaxseed oil improved the frequency and consistency of stools more effectively than olive oil, while the study notes that both olive oil and flaxseed oil are as effective as mineral oil. Break how to use olive oil to treat constipation. Break while there is no established dosage for olive oil in treating constipation, studies investigating its efficacy have found that it is most effective when taken on an empty stomach and without food. Break people can experience relief from constipation with 1 tablespoon in the morning. However, studies have shown that 4 milliliters, ml, approximately 3/4 teaspoon, of olive oil can be an effective starting point. Break there is no specific time frame for using olive oil to relieve constipation or to determine how quickly speak it works. Since everyone is different, the way it works its way through the digestive system may vary from person to person. Break if it's your first time trying olive oil for constipation, stay near a restroom until you know how your body will react to it. Break related stories. What happens to your body when you use extra virgin olive oil? Can olive oil and lemon juice really treat health conditions? Who should not use olive oil for constipation? Break taking olive oil for constipation is safe for most healthy adults to try, but there are certain populations who should not, including break babies and children, as they have not yet developed the proper swallowing techniques required to safely consume the thick liquid. People who are supposed to limit their intake of fat, even healthy fats, should also avoid trying olive oil for constipation until they've had the chance to speak to their healthcare provider. Those with allergies to olives or anything in olive oil should also avoid it. Additional considerations. Break before starting olive oil for constipation. Consult a healthcare provider to ensure that it's safe for you, and consider the following. Break if you are taking blood pressure lowering medications. Olive oil can also lower blood pressure, and when the medication is already doing so, adverse effects can occur. It's best to start with a lower dose of olive oil and gradually increase it until you see how you tolerate it. Consuming high amounts of olive oil might lead to unwanted gastrointestinal issues, including bloating, gas, and diarrhea. Olive oil is a fat that is high in calories. Consuming too much can contribute to weight gain. A word from Verywell. Break if constipation has been going on for a few weeks, is accompanied by symptoms such as severe abdominal pain, blood in the stool, unplanned weight loss, or changes in bowel habits, it's time to consult a healthcare provider. These could be signs of an underlying condition, such as a gastrointestinal disorder, that requires medical evaluation and treatment. Break and number 148, Melissa Nieves, RD, Medical Expert Board, rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.